Combi mode combines convection heat and steam heat. When Combi mode is selected, the logic board checks for the flush disable thermostat input at J1 pin 2. If the thermostat is closed, only boiler heat enable will be output. It continues the output until the thermostat opens and the input is removed. Once it opens, a call for heat enables hot air output, and the steam cycles on for approximately 1 minute and off for 1 minute. It repeats the on-off cycle the entire time it is in Combi mode unless the J1 pin 2 input returns. If it does, the hot air is stopped and the steam comes back on 100% of the time until the thermostat opens. Note, the preheat thermostat is enabled in Combi mode, and if it is closed, the voltage backfeeds to the logic board, lighting LED 10, simulating a call for boiler heat from the logic board even when the output is not present. To start Combi mode, set the mode switch to Combi. The hot air signal is removed and the Combi input is sent to the logic board. Combi mode also uses the temperature controller to control the hot air enable output. Setting the control to a temperature higher than the current temperature again triggers the call for heat. The control checks the probe and potentiometer and triggers the call for heat light and puts the call for heat into the logic board. The board sends the convection heat enable signal to the relay board, which triggers hot air main burner output. The output triggers the main solenoid of the secondary hot air valve, and both hot air burners light. At the same time, the logic board sends the boiler heat enable output, which is cycled based on the board's internal timer, alternating on for 1 minute, off for 1 minute. The signal triggers the relay board boiler heat output, and the main burner comes on until the minute expires. The boiler heat cycles on and off, alternating every other minute, keeping the boiler hot. The steam is sent from the boiler in the steam transfer line to the cavity, and the exhaust gases from the boiler heat exchanger are vented out, as illustrated, anytime the boiler fires.